Let's go ahead and dive into the next set of treats, which is some of my favorite Lightroom presets. So I want to share with you how to put them into Lightroom, and then just a real fast, quick tutorial on how to use them. So let's get to it. Once you have your presets downloaded from either myself, my presets, or another preset folder that you've received, most of the time they come in zipped files. Here's my file. I'll go ahead and double click because I'm on a Mac. If you're a PC, you can do a right click and open, and it will open up the actual folder with all of the presets. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a right click, and I'm going to copy this file. Click on that. Then we're going to go into Lightroom. So here's Lightroom. It's all up and running. These are the two files that I'll share with you really quick on a couple of the presets. You'll go into Lightroom and then Preferences if you're on a Mac. If you're a PC, you'll go to Edit and you'll see the Preferences in here. So we're going to go into the Preferences area. Then you'll see all these goodies up here at the top. What you're going to do is get into the preset location. And then if for some reason this location area is checked, please uncheck it. So next you'll go into Show Lightroom Presets folder. Go ahead and click on that. And then it automatically takes you into the Lightroom folder. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Develop Presets. And this is where you make your adjustments that are globally done. That means throughout the whole image. So you'll click on the Develop Presets, and then you're going to right click, and then you're going to paste what you just copied right before we started this whole thing. And there is the new folder with all the awesome presets. You'll go ahead and close everything out. I will go ahead and open Lightroom so we can see the presets. So when you're ready to start developing your images, go ahead and select an image, get to the development module, and then to the left you'll see here is the free presets. As you hover over each of them, you can see what each of the presets will do to that image to get you going. Just using the basic already, BAM has gotten this image from before to after. And it's just a fast way to get you started with your creations. Here's a brighten up landscape. It just makes your images so pretty really, really fast. And with just a quick push of the button. I appreciate that you're here with me, and I really do, from the bottom of my heart, hope that these presets will help you with your creation. I really do believe that 1,000 words does make a difference, and that's what we are here for, to express ourselves. If you have any questions, you know where to get a hold of me. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.